Words about the story of the best prince. Famous. Famous. If someone or something is famous, they are known to many people. The Eiffel Tower in Paris is very famous. Force. Force. Force is a person's strength or power. He used all his force to try and open the door. Harm. Harm. Harm is hurt or problems caused to someone or something. A hot iron can cause great harm if you are not careful. Lay. Lay. To lay means to put or place in a horizontal or flat position. Don't lay your socks on the floor. Peace. Peace. Peace is a time without war. A white dove is a symbol for peace. Prince. Prince. A prince is the son of a king. The prince and the princess were married. Protect. Protect. To protect someone is to stop them from getting hurt. Firemen protect us from fires. Sense. Sense. To sense something is to know about it without being told. I could sense that he was watching me. Sudden. Sudden. When something is sudden, it happens very quickly. He felt a sudden pain in his chest. Therefore. Therefore. Therefore means for this reason. He is fat. Therefore, he will go on a diet. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos.